Hi, it's me again. This morning I saw something on Yahoo News, and it was a news item that some fellow in San Francisco had blocked up a multi-million-dollar computer system for San Francisco that handles sensitive data. And this computer system handles things like files for the government, jail bookings, law enforcement documents, and also other official emails for the San Francisco government. And he wouldn't give them the code, so basically paralyzed their ability to get into this system. And I was thinking that this is a warning of things to come, in that information technology is going to actually make superpowers irrelevant. Right now, we call the superpowers because of their military strength. They have lots of weapons. They have B-52 and other kinds of sophisticated bombers, intercontinental ballistic missiles, biological warfare, etc. This is their claim to superpowerdom, because they won't allow other countries that they call rogue nations to actually develop these technologies. But what if a handheld computer could actually hijack all the planes in the sky without actually having to, just by interfering with air traffic signals? What if a handheld computer held by a kid in, say, some cave in the Hindu Kush Mountains or Afghanistan? What if it could cut off? What if it could cut off electricity in a city like New York, or poison the food chain, or interfere with respirators and pacemakers, or actually cause a nuclear plant to leak? I think it's very obvious that if we remain in the present state of our consciousness, which is tribal and ethnocentric and racist and bigoted and all of that, then this present state of consciousness will allow the democratization of violence and do away with conventional superpowers. They'll become irrelevant. Either we shift consciousness and use our technologies to heal the rift in our collective soul, or we let our diabolical nature use the technologies to destroy ourselves. I'm curious what you think. Is conventional superpowerdom going to be obsolete soon? Are superpowers going to be irrelevant? Would love to know your thoughts.